Welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to tell you what is Make.com. So Make.com was formerly known as Integromat. It is basically a visual integration and automation platform that uses no code. So I'm going to show you an example in a scenario. So I'm going to create a new scenario, and here, as you can see, you have these little bubbles that you can create algorithms with. So I can, for example, add one bubble, then I can add another bubble. Let me just use them, and as you can see, they connect. So it's pretty easy to create your own automations, and this is basically what the app is about. It has support with over 1,400 apps. So you have all of these like apps or APIs that you can use with the app, so it makes your life a little easier. You can create your own automations, create scenarios, and stuff basically like that. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.